Jewelry is more than just an accessory. It is a powerful tool that can enhance your appearance and express your personality. For MTF, male to female, crossdressers, understanding how to wear jewelry elegantly can help create a polished and sophisticated look. Here's a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of wearing jewelry like an elegant lady. Number 1. Start with simplicity. When beginning your journey into the world of jewelry, simplicity is your best friend. Start with classic, understated pieces that can seamlessly blend with any outfit. Simple stud earrings, a delicate necklace, and a sleek bracelet are perfect for this purpose. These items add a touch of sophistication without overwhelming your look. Overloading on jewelry can result in a cluttered appearance, detracting from the elegance you aim to achieve. Number 2. Match metals. Consistency in the type of metal you wear is crucial for a cohesive look. Choose between gold, silver, or rosé gold and stick to that choice for a harmonious appearance. While mixing metals can work, it requires a keen eye for balance and can be tricky to pull off elegantly. By matching metals, you ensure that your jewelry complements each other, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Number 3. Coordinate with your outfit. Your jewelry should always complement your outfit. For formal attire, opt for understated and sophisticated pieces that add a touch of elegance without overpowering your look. In contrast, for casual wear, you can afford to experiment with bolder, more playful designs. The key is to maintain a sense of harmony between your outfit and your jewelry. For instance, a little black dress pairs beautifully with a string of pearls or diamond studs, while a colorful, bohemian outfit might call for chunky, vibrant jewelry. Number 4. Balance proportions. Pay attention to the size and scale of your jewelry relative to your body and face. Smaller, daintier pieces are ideal for those with delicate features, as they enhance without overwhelming. Conversely, if you have more prominent features, larger pieces can be flattering and help balance your look. For example, a statement necklace can draw attention to your neckline, while large earrings can add drama and elegance. Number 5. Highlight your best features. Jewelry can be strategically used to draw attention to your best features. If you have a slender neck, a statement necklace can highlight it beautifully. Sparkling earrings can bring attention to your face, making your eyes and smile more noticeable. Consider what parts of your body you feel most confident about and use jewelry to accentuate these areas. Number 6. Mind the occasion. The appropriateness of your jewelry can vary greatly depending on the occasion. For work or formal events, reserved pieces like pearl earrings or a simple gold bracelet are ideal. They add a touch of elegance without being too flashy. For casual outings or social events, you can be more expressive with your jewelry choices. The key is to read the room and choose pieces that fit the occasion while still reflecting your personal style. Number 7. Consider necklines. Matching your necklaces to the neckline of your outfit can significantly enhance your look. V-necklines pair well with pendants or lariat necklaces, which follow the line of the neckline and create a harmonious look. High necklines, on the other hand, are best complemented by statement necklaces or layered pieces that add interest above the neckline. For strapless or off-the-shoulder tops, a choker or a short necklace can draw attention to your collarbone and shoulders. Number 8. Earrings to frame the face. Choosing the right earrings is crucial, as they can frame your face and complement its shape. Studs and small hoops are universally flattering and suitable for any occasion. Drop earrings or chandeliers can elongate and slim the face, making them a great choice for those with rounder faces. If you have a heart-shaped face, try teardrop earrings to balance the proportions. The goal is to find earrings that enhance your natural beauty and create a balanced look. Number 9. Invest in quality. While it might be tempting to buy a large collection of costume jewelry, investing in a few high-quality pieces can make a significant difference. Quality pieces not only look more elegant but also stand the test of time, allowing you to wear them for years. Consider investing in classic items like a pair of diamond studs, a gold chain, or a pearl necklace. These timeless pieces can elevate any outfit and add a touch of sophistication. Number 10. Confidence is key. The most important aspect of wearing jewelry is confidence. Elegance comes from how you carry yourself, so wear your chosen pieces with pride and poise. When you feel confident, it shows in your posture and demeanor, making any jewelry you wear look even more beautiful. Remember, The goal is not just to look elegant but to feel elegant as well. Here are some additional tips for you. Understanding the basics of wearing jewelry is essential, but there are also specific considerations for MTF crossdressers to keep in mind. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate the world of jewelry with ease. As an MTF crossdresser, you may have broader shoulders or a larger frame compared to cisgender women. Choose jewelry that complements your proportions. For instance, larger statement pieces can balance broader shoulders, while delicate pieces might get lost. Experiment with different styles to find what works best for you. Jewelry is a great way to embrace and express your femininity. Don't be afraid to explore traditionally feminine styles like floral designs, delicate chains, and sparkling stones. These pieces can enhance your look and make you feel more connected to your feminine side. Wearing jewelry might feel awkward at first, especially if you're not used to it. Practice wearing different pieces at home to get comfortable. Pay attention to how they feel and look in the mirror. Over time, you'll develop a sense of what suits you best and how to wear it with confidence. If you're unsure about what jewelry suits you, consider seeking professional help. Many jewelry stores offer styling consultations where experts can help you choose pieces that complement your features and personal style. This can be particularly helpful when starting your jewelry collection. Customization is a fantastic way to ensure your jewelry fits perfectly and reflects your style. Consider having pieces adjusted to better suit your frame. For example, you can have a bracelet resized or a necklace lengthened. Customizing your jewelry can make it more comfortable to wear and enhance its overall appearance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks and styles. Jewelry is a versatile accessory that can transform your appearance. Try layering necklaces, mixing different types of earrings, or stacking bracelets. Exploring different combinations can help you discover what you like best and what makes you feel most elegant. While it's important to follow general guidelines, the most crucial rule is to stay true to yourself. Your jewelry should reflect your personality and make you feel good. Don't feel pressured to conform to certain styles if they don't resonate with you. Elegance is about authenticity and confidence, so choose pieces that you love. Wearing jewelry like an elegant lady as an MTF crossdresser involves understanding the basics of jewelry styling and embracing your unique qualities. By starting with simplicity, matching metals, coordinating with your outfit, balancing proportions, highlighting your best features, minding the occasion, considering necklines, choosing the right earrings, investing in quality, and wearing your pieces with confidence, you can create a sophisticated and polished look. Remember, elegance comes from within, so wear your jewelry with pride and let your true self shine through. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.